Alright guys, I got all the stuff out of it. I left all the shelving. All these containers, these bottom ones are empty, them top ones, jaws are still full, but there's a double stack there I gotta move. These in the doors are gonna be, the roll-up doors are different on the other one. Similar in the back here. I gotta put these on the floor for all the pipes. With all this copper pipe and shelving's all coming out. This top rack up here, I had pipe up on the top of that. I've never really used the pipe so much, but I'm gonna take all these racks out. All these racks are coming out, and I might use them on the other one. These here for tanks and all kinds of stuff. I emptied all these out and put a lot of stuff in there. There's 4 drawer, there's 12 filing cabinets. Them are all going in the other one. This is bolted up from underneath. I gotta get up underneath and unbolt it. I got a rack. Oh, you can see a rack for the. I got another one of these, but it's I think it's 1 and then 2. So that's only a 3. I got it over there. I might end up putting that in there also. Oh, you can see it over there by the garage. But anyway, I'm going to start stripping all this stuff down. I got a little heater here if I need it. All this is going in the other truck. A lot of work to move all this stuff the hell out of here. I don't know, I got probably got 20 of these containers full, and then probably about 12 or 14 milk crates full of stuff all in the shed. It's pretty much all stripped. Next thing I gotta do is unbolt all this stuff, everything, unbolt everything, throw it outside, and then get the new truck over there and start doing it. All of them are gonna go in first, and then that, and then we'll build it from there out. I gotta build a spot for my ladder. That's where my ladder went, right there. Gotta build that, so all this stuff's gonna be saved. All these shelving's gonna be saved. All that wood in the back's gonna be saved, everything. It's all coming out. It's gonna be a flippin' shit show, Mama. We're gonna strip it. The other one seemed to be a 13. This is a 12-foot box. The other one I measured is 13 feet, so it's not quite 14, so it's not as bad as I thought. It's a little higher. I kind of like the roof, the other roof better. It's more clear. I like the barn doors, but the other one's got a roll-up door. I'll take it. Look at all these. Look at all these. I got a whole milk crate full of rubber straps that were in here. Flipping crazy. Flipping crazy. I gotta do something about either emptying all these or doing something with them. I'm not sure yet. But that's all going in the other truck. Binding you. I got it pretty much all unbolted. I gotta unbolt this from underneath. But I got all this out. I'm not sure about this shelving. It's all attached, so I'd have to grind it. Either grind it down along the edge here, make a cut. That'd probably be even easier. Same thing with this one. These here are on hinges. I'd have to drill them hinges out. But I know I think I got another piece that I have from inside. I'll have to drill all these hinges out. This I'm probably just gonna cut along the edge, take these shelves out, both of these 2 top ones, and then these brackets. I'm not sure what I'm gonna do yet with this, but I gotta do is get that out of there and get all this. These are all empty. I gotta get these into the other truck. I did. Everything. All this there was wood all along here. Everything had wood, so I wouldn't dent the outside. Took it all out. I gotta clean it up. Flipping mess. What I gotta do is, this thing's bolted in from the bottom. So what I gotta do is drive the truck up on a couple of blocks so I can crawl under here and unbolt it. And I can get this out. Once I get this out, then I can get these filing cabinets out. And this is all unbolted too. This still has stuff in it, so I'm probably gonna, all that's empty. I'm probably gonna do is just take these drawers out, put them over here for now, and move this into the other truck, and then put the drawers in. We'll see. Process here. My little heater going, trying to warm up the place. It's 30 degrees out. It's pretty cold. Get my tower out for the refrigerant containers. Gonna drive up on these blocks so I can slide under with some cardboard. It does run. It does run, but it just smokes. Burns oil, blows oil out pretty bad. Doesn't smoke that bad when it's idling, but when you give it the gas, you gotta give it the old, how you doing? Run. Might be blow by, I don't know. Put a block under there so I'll be able to slide under this thing with some cardboard. Yeehaw! Alright, so this cabinet here, I pulled all the shelving out and all the drawers, and then there's 4 on the bottom there, plus this one. This is a double stacker. That goes right on the wheel well. So when I get this outside, I got that outside. I got the filing cabinets outside. And I gotta pull them 4 off the bottom there. Them are all empty already. Put them on first. Then we'll put this one on top of the wheel well. And we'll put all our drawers back in. I didn't unload them. I just left everything in there. We'll be able to just slide it back in. I got all my my tank spindles off. She's coming together. A little bit at a time. My dog box here, and I got the filing cabinets. I got all this stuff organized, all the wood and the pipe, and I'm gonna reuse this wood and all the unistrut. You know, the shelving, I'm gonna reuse the shelving. A lot of work. This is one of the best things I ever did, was these steel case cabinets. They're steel case. And I put this so I could load it up with stuff. Heavy duty. So that's 4, 8, 12. This one, these two are 24 wide, and this one's only 18, I think. Yeah. It's kind of different. These are 24 wide, and that one's 18. Huh. I don't know why I did that, but I'm going back in the other truck. I got enough. I'm gonna stick with what I got. She's coming apart, Mama. See, the other one, this one's only got a clear spot right in the middle, and then it's white. The other one's clear the whole roof, so it gives a lot more light. Yeah, this one I put a frame on there, and I must have slid it in, and then I bolted them. So I gotta take them 4 bolts off, and then I should slide off. I need like a frame for it. These are all empty. These are pretty heavy, so she's coming together. She's coming apart, I should say. She's coming apart. Got myself a little heater here. Trying to stay warm. It's pretty cold out. It's pretty like 30 degrees out or something. This one's definitely got a lot different type of room in it. I'm gonna have to come and measure everything and see where everything lines up, but I think this one was I think I measured it was 13-foot box. The other one's only a 12. Let's get it over there. Godzilla. I have to call this thing Godzilla. I think that's what I want to call it. Running that thing. Well, that's it right there. Down. Turns it on, up. High speed. Dome light. That must be in the back. Dome lamp. Cargo. What's the cargo? This dome one don't seem to work. Might have a bad fuse or something. I'll figure it out. I don't know what the hell this thing is. Lights. Emergencies. I'll have to adjust the mirrors and shit, but alright guys, so I got this cabinet all in, and I had to cut this. I could raise this up or down wherever I want it. These are all adjustable. Let's see, they're all adjustments. So probably gonna do is next thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take this off, and that's where the toolbox goes. And then after I get the toolbox in, I'm gonna build a thing for my ladder straight up. This is probably gonna have to be dropped. I got this other shelf up here. That's either I'm gonna make shelving in here. I gotta make a spot, put the toolbox in, and I make a spot for my ladder to stand straight up. And I don't know what I'm gonna do with this yet, but that's too big for the ladder. So depends on how far over the toolbox comes. either I'll put the ladders here and then build a spot with just all shelving. I'm not sure. I'm gonna put another shelf down the bottom there, probably a foot off the ground. And then I'll probably lower this one down some. And I'll probably lower this one down some. And then I'll put one up top. Another shelf. Same thing with this. I'm not sure where the shelving's going yet. Might go up or down with it. This one's gonna get cut all the way to here. That's where the filing cabinets are gonna come. So I'll have them 3 banks of filing cabinets gonna come to here. So this is probably gonna go down some, and then this is probably gonna go down some. But it's a process, you know. I'm gonna get it set up so it's, you know, where I want it. Got my little heater in here. One day at a time. One day at a time. I like that the roof is, the whole thing's lit up. I like that. Here's a real shit show, mama.